Hello, this is YoYo here, and I'm going to be doing string tricks. If you want to know the yo-yo I'm using, it's called the Sage. You can get it on yoyotricks.com. So I'm probably going to be learning all my tricks from there. I'm going to talk about the Breakout, and it's called the Breakout. I don't know why it's called the Breakout, it's just called the Breakout. And you can hold it like this. It also has to be like that to your body. It can't be like that and like release it. So there's three ways you can do this, and it's either like this, and then you can also hold it like this, go like that, and then like this. I'm gonna show you what a breakout looks like, and it'd be like that. And you might not be able to see that well, but that's what I can do for now. And then you can also do it this way. And then you can also do it this way. Okay, that wasn't that clean. Let me do that again. Okay, so. Okay, that's fine. Anyways, that's how you do it. And yeah, that's the breakout. YoYo out.